Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Custom 3D. Now, you may be wondering, why am I in my car for a, 3D printing channel? Well, I'm going to be giving you a tour of the new space I'm going to be using for my 3D printing farm. I'm going to try to grow this farm into a lot more than what I can do at my house, and I wanted to give you a tour before I moved all the printers in there. Right now, the current building owner is using this space as storage space, so there is some stuff in there that will be cleared out when I eventually move in. So thanks guys, stay tuned. So this is gonna be the space. Like I said, there is some items in here for some storage, but this is all going to be cleared out. I'm thinking I'm going to have the printers up there, and obviously my desk is going to be here, and there'll probably be another desk here. But this is the space. It's not that bad, right on one of the major routes here in Rhode Island. So I am excited. This is going to be awesome. So some of you guys are probably thinking that this is going to be some huge space that I'm going to be using for all my 3D printers. Well, right now I'm still sort of small, and the price that I'm able to get this space at is simply, amazing. The guy who owns the building is very nice, and this is going to be just an incredible experience for me. So I will be doing some vlogs, I guess, of us taking all this stuff out and building the farm into what I'd like it to be. So I'll be doing a lot more YouTube content and TikTok content, to be quite frank with you guys, because I use that platform as well. Using this space, it's going to be really cool. So you guys, please stay tuned for all those other videos that are going to be coming out, those vlogs of the farm being created. It's going to be really fun. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So those should be coming out within the next couple of weeks, within a month at the most. So thanks guys, see you later, have a great day.